There's a part of Ocean City that still feels the way you remember it. Quiet mornings, open beaches, and space to breathe. Down here at the south end, the pace slows down. You're never more than a couple blocks from the ocean and just minutes from Corson's Inlet, one of the last untouched stretches of the shoreline in New Jersey. This is where mornings start with a bike ride down West Avenue, coffee in hand, and the evenings wind down just as easily. Everything you need is right here, and when you want a little more energy, the boardwalk and downtown are just a short ride up the island. And right in the middle of it all is a place designed to make those moments yours. This top floor duplex offers 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and just under 1,500 square feet of space designed for gathering. Vaulted ceilings in the main living area open up the space, bringing in natural light and giving it that easy beach house feel. A large front deck becomes your everyday hangout. And in the back, 2 bedrooms with a private deck off the main bedroom. And above it all, a private roof deck with views of the inland waterways and marshlands. This home has been well cared for over the years and offers the kind of space and layout that can easily evolve to match your style. Some places you just visit, and some places become part of your story. The south end of Ocean City has a way of doing exactly that. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to own down here, this might just be the one.